Hey, welcome to Tallil, Iraq. We've got, oh boy, that's moving in fast. All right, here's a chew. And what we have here is a good old sandstorm rolling in.
See the bunker? The trailer that's next to the bunker.
There's T-walls. And, oh yeah, there's an awesome view. Everybody that's been here before. Yeah. There's Coop. This is a doozy. Look how dark that is over there. All right, so this is, oh, there's the rain. I felt the raindrop on my cheek. Here it is rolling in. Good old sandstorm. Welcome to Iraq again.
No picture that way. Coming.
Here it comes, and everybody's running. Holy crap. Run for your lives. And here it comes. There it is. This is a sandstorm. It'll miss us, my butt. And just like that, you can see how in ancient times, especially in this land, how quickly it could get dark. And it became as night. That's what it looks like.